In today's tutorial, I am going to walk you through exactly how to change the background color of any image in Adobe Photoshop while keeping a realistic shadow intact. Whether you are prepping professional product photos or cleaning up a portrait, this technique will save you time and make your graphics look incredibly polished. If this guide helps you improve your workflow, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button for more Photoshop tips. Let us dive right into the software. First, open your image in Photoshop. Make sure your Layers panel is visible. Go to the top menu, select the Select tab, and then click Subject. Photoshop's AI will automatically detect your object. Once the selection is active, click Select and Mask to open the workspace. Use the Refine Edge brush to clean up any tricky hairs or edges, then click OK to confirm your selection. Now that your subject is selected, go to the bottom of the Layers panel and click the Add Layer Mask icon. You will see that the background is now hidden, leaving only your subject visible on a transparent canvas. Next, it is time to add our new color. Go to the Layer menu at the top, select New Fill Layer, and then choose Solid Color. Pick whatever color fits your design, then click OK. In the Layers panel, simply click and drag this new color layer so that it is positioned directly below your subject layer. Finally, we need to add that professional touch with a shadow. Select your main subject layer, look to the bottom of the panels, and click the FX button. Choose Drop Shadow from the list. A menu will pop up where you can customize the look. For a natural appearance, set your opacity between 40 and 60%. Adjust the distance to somewhere between 10 and 30, and tweak the size slider until it sits between 20 and 50. This creates a soft, natural drop shadow that grounds your subject on the new, vibrant background. You have successfully updated your image with a clean background and a realistic shadow. If this video helped you master this effect, make sure to hit that like and subscribe button to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Thanks for watching.